Hi and welcome to Drawing One. I'm Mrs. Warner and I just wanted to walk you through the supplies that you received in your drawing envelope that you either picked up from school or was delivered to you on the bus. So here are some of the things that you will find. I've sent a lot of supplies that you're going to need. First thing is that in your Ziploc bag that you guys have, you have a couple of different sets of pencils. Let's start with the large bag with all of the pencils in it, and it has some of these blending stumps and a kneaded eraser. I know it looks like a lot of pencils, but next week I am going to walk you through what all of these pencils are, why you have all 7 pencils, and what these little numbers and things mean on the ends of the pencils. So stay tuned, you will understand why you have so many pencils. You will also have a bag that has 2 charcoal pencils, a black pencil, a white pencil, and then some different types of black charcoal as well. So with this bag, we are going to be working with charcoal at some point during the class, and I just wanted to give you those supplies as well. In that Ziploc bag, you should also have just a regular ballpoint pen, as well as a brand new, just for you guys, pencil sharpener, which I will need the pencil sharpener and the charcoal back at the end of the class. The rest of the things I do not need back, so this bag of all these 7 pencils, yours to keep with the class fee, and the pen, I can give you a pen. That is completely fine. Inside, there should also be a folder that has some paper and supplies in it as well. So within this folder, you're going to have a sketchbook that has drawing paper on it. You'll notice that the drawing paper is a little thicker than regular paper, and it has kind of a textured surface to it. That is to help with the charcoal and to help take the surface of the graphite in the pencils as well. And then you should have several different sizes and types of paper. You're going to have 3 pieces of this smaller 9 by 12 regular size paper. You should also have 2 pieces of the larger white paper, 2 pieces of those. And then you're going to have 1 piece of gray paper, so not the same color as the white paper, it's a gray paper. This gray paper is for the charcoal. When we do our charcoal project, you'll be working on the gray paper, so you can use the white pencil as well as the black charcoal. Whereas we'll just practice in our sketchbook, but that gray paper is for your charcoal project. So that is what is in your Drawing One kit. Welcome to Drawing One. I think we're going to learn a lot of things, and I hope you guys have fun.